You're an entrepreneur, you're building a business. There is so much to know. One of the things most entrepreneurs overlook are business systems, the technology that drives your business, the technology that creates everything and puts everything together, the technology that keeps all the pieces in alignment and moving forward. In this video, I'm going to take you through each of the elements of business systems and give you some specific examples of systems that we use in our business, Content First Marketing. So stay tuned for that. Systems in your organization are designed to support the organizational elements. And there are three main categories in every business. You have your marketing and sales team, you have operations, and you have finance and administration. And these are three main elements, and you have to have different systems to support these elements. In this video, I'm going to walk through the activities for each of these areas and speak to the systems necessary to support those functions. The first thing is marketing and sales. There's an old saying, nothing happens until a sale is made. And that's true. Nothing happens until a sale is made, and you have to have the systems to support it. But I'll take it a step further and say nothing happens until you have a contact to which you can sell something. You have marketing systems and you have sales systems. And these are composed of three main elements. The first is the customer relationship management. That's your CRM. The second is marketing automation. And the third is the proposal component, or the quote component, or the order processing component. And this varies depending on the type of business you have. All three of these are critical to having a really strong, successful marketing and sales organization to drive business to your operations teams. So let's dig in this a little further. Let's get into the CRM. The CRM is the customer relationship management part. And what that tool is for is first, storing all of the contacts associated with your business. Any contact, whether that contact is a customer, or that contact is a lead, or somebody who's just a friend of the brand, or that contact could be a vendor or someone else that provides services to the brand or the organization. All of these contacts must be in one place. That's the heart of your CRM system. And when you're building your systems, that's your first system you want to have in place, that CRM. The other thing that the CRM system does for you is that CRM system manages your sales pipeline. When you have a prospective customer or client and they're interested in your services, well, you're going to go through a series of steps, right? They're a lead, and you're going to want to convert them to being an opportunity. And that opportunity, well, you might write a proposal or you might create a quote, depending on the kind of business you are. These are all within the CRM software. So that when you get through that process and when you're finished, the CRM software ends with somebody signing an agreement or agreeing to your quote and moving forward and you processing an order. That's the CRM piece of it. Now, the second aspect of these twin systems is marketing automation. Sales receives a sales qualified lead and works it to make them a customer or client. Marketing takes all of these prospects, these raw prospects out there, and converts that raw prospect through a funnel to a marketing qualified lead and eventually a sales qualified and ultimately sales accepted lead. And if you want to learn more about the different types of leads and how these teams work together, look in the show notes. I will have a link to a video on this very topic. Marketing automation is the software that keeps your brand in front of your prospects for different reasons. And they run campaigns, typically email campaigns. They can be social media campaigns. But this marketing automation system is sending out material on behalf of your company and measuring the results. They might send an email, measure the open rate. They might send an email, measure a click-through rate. They might measure how those click-throughs converted into customers. All of this is tied to the marketing automation system. So once you have CRM in place, your next step is to build marketing automation in a marketing team so that you are driving marketing qualified leads and converting them into sales qualified leads. So let's talk about that CRM system. There are many products on the market, and there are many great products on the market. And there are a few of them here: Keep, HubSpot, Salesforce, Dynamics, the list goes on and on. In our organization, we use Keep. But I've used Dynamics CRM, I've used Salesforce, I've used HubSpot, I've used quite a wide range of them, and they're all good and they all do different things well. In Keep, we are keeping all of our contacts, prospects, clients, vendors, friends of the brand, anyone we want to keep any interaction with, we keep in our CRM system. Now, marketing automation is kind of interesting because some CRMs have marketing automation built in. For example, HubSpot and Keep, they have marketing automation built at their core. But Salesforce, for example, is not actually built in. It's a secondary product called Pardot. Salesforce is the CRM, Pardot is marketing automation, and brought together, they can fulfill those things. When you're looking for tools, if you're a smaller business, try to find one that has them both included. It'll make things a little easier for you as you're building your business. Tools like HubSpot, tools like Keep, they're a really good way to start to manage your pipeline, manage your contacts, and do marketing automation. To make a sale, your business either does a quote or has an order form or maybe does a full proposal. Whatever it is that you do, you need to have some sort of way to generate those quotes or generate those proposals. We use a tool called Proposify, and it is a dedicated system for one purpose: writing proposals. And we have templates for the most common proposals. And we also have a library of pages that we can insert into those proposals. So maybe we start with a template and we grab something out of the library and we insert it. The great thing about this is it's already approved content that is compliant with our marketing and is ready to be delivered. It already has all of our legal terms and conditions on the signature page, including links to our complete terms and conditions on our website. And it has an easy way to add pricing on the last page. So this tool for us, Proposify, is a great way to keep all of our proposals in one spot. More importantly, our proposal processing system integrates directly with our CRM. Now, you can use CRMs like HubSpot that automatically have proposal processing in there, and you might want to evaluate an all-in-one solution so that your proposals can be generated directly from your CRM. In our case, we're using a third party, but it still integrates with our CRM. Now, there are other systems on the market that are specific to verticals or specific to types of businesses. If you're in the construction industry, you're a builder, you can buy software that's for builders that has CRM, that has marketing automation, that has proposals, or in this case, quotes built into it. So these are things that you want to review as well. But when you're building this sales and marketing technology infrastructure, your CRM is first, then marketing automation, then quote and proposals, and then an easy way to process an order. In our case, our CRM actually has the order processing as well, but other companies may use their financial system for orders. We use our order processing, so we have an end-to-end system from when a prospect begins its relationship to us, to when we create a proposal to them, to when they sign the proposal and close, and to when we process an order in our system to move to operations to actually provide the services we have. This all is tied together with our core systems, our CRM, marketing automation, and proposal system. And those are the main systems that are necessary for that organization: CRM, marketing automation, proposals, quotes, and orders. There are other systems that you may use, but these are the main ones, and you want to have them in place. And if they're separate systems, you want to have them integrated together. And at the end of this, we'll talk a bit more about integration. In the next video, I'm going to talk about operations, so stay tuned for that. So that's your business, and those are the systems supporting it. So let's take a minute just to review what we have here. Your business can be organized into three primary components. That's marketing and sales, operations, and then supporting all of that is finance, information technology, and administration. Within marketing and sales, you have three main systems types. First of all, you have your customer relationship management system. That's the heart of the organization. That's where all the contacts go. Once you have a good CRM foundation in place, then you can build on that. And you can build on that with marketing automation. This is how you're interacting with your contacts and tracking all that on a regular basis. And then thirdly, in your marketing and sales organization, you need to have a system to write a proposal or deliver a quote. And then once those are accepted, you had to some way to track and capture an order. And that order, that completed transaction at the end of a closed sale, is what takes the company from marketing and sales into the operations organization. So that's it. That's your business. You have your marketing, sales, operations, finance, technology, and administration. So those are our systems, and that's how they tie together. I'm hoping this is helpful. I make videos every week. If you found this useful, please do me a favor. Give it a like, maybe subscribe, or if you're doing something different or disagree with my views on some of these systems, put it in the comments. I'd absolutely love to hear about it. Appreciate your time today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.